kuria kiwanja kinene kia Jomo Kenyatta International Airport
kiona ndege ya KQ na call sign ya rĩrĩa ingĩrire rĩera rĩa bũrũri wa Kenya the Kenyan Airspace nĩ ũndũ wa gĩtĩo gĩake Kenya Airways macenjia call sign yayo to RAO 001 ĩgĩtia nĩ ndege nĩ gĩtagia rũtha rwa kũmba ũrĩa igua rĩu KQ Boeing 767 permission to land igua RAO 001 the Kenyan Airspace kagua RAO please proceed on runway 1 all clear. Oh yes.
Maikinyire rucine mathaa ma 3:30.
It has been largely chaotic.
Reka tuge kiundu kiria kiuma kuria airport ri.
Yes.
Ndigwiciria na bangia maundu ni marafo asiete kiundu ta kiu.
I think you see there was very little time.
Na riu gutira na time ne ya mibango.
Yes.
Riu
and I think you know we have had state funerals na ni tuonete order ya cithia nayo. So I think largely they overlooked the fact that odo no thiogo o surge.
Yes.
Yes.
Ni hakota mundu kiumbe ni ndireuretie kiuria kiwira hwaini. I had a feeling agikorwo mwiri ugukinya especially mathaa magukite.
Yes.
I had a feeling kiwanja kia ndege no gukorwo na muniko wa andu.
Yes. But I'll tell you for free. Ona okorwo angiareho thaa 3 cio tuko the same would have been replicated. Yes. No, they didn't call Raila Enigma for free.
Yes.
Yes. And the supporters are carrying. They have their own extreme ways of
doing things.
Yes. And they have never mourned him. And never mind the excuse ya maundu mamwe turona.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Riu ona bangia maundu na aria makiuma na protocol kuria airport. Direction na mubango ndunathie kuringana na uria urabangitwo guthie. Because ideally direciria mubango uma mwire wa kinya ukiambe ukiheo gitio gia kijeshi. Ucokeru wa mukiro ni President Ruto.
William Samoei Ruto.
Na ni nyonio na retired President Uhuru wa Kenyatta Moi Airport.
Yes, absolutely. Ucoke twaro kuria Lee funeral. Ni undu wa preparation.
Yes.
Ucoke twaro bunge.
Direciria ucio niguo rari mubango.
Which never materialized.
Unfortunately gutinathi uguo.
Yes.
Everything went pagaragasha.
Shagara bagara. Apparently gwisia ne ri arakinyo Kasarani ka ne bicire kuistrona.
This is live Kasarani.
That looks like the gun carriage. Area kuaga.
Yuma na casket.
Yes. Etondo gwisia ru mune koi uri. Mundu ria oya decision ino ni onire bunge ni kugiire chaos.
No, there was almost a pandemonium gate-ini ya bunge.
It's true.
And no muthi ndarutire ya bunge ngofia.
Yes.
Ni mageririe go cool the situation.
Yes.
Kumo speaker wa bunge, bunge akina Babu Owino.
Yes.
Akina Timu Wanyonyi, akina etagwate wakiri uyu.
Orengo.
Not Orengo.
Not Orengo, sorry.
Otiende Omolo.
Yes.
Ni monire makigeria kuhoreria raia yuma very impatient hare kihingo-ini kia bunge. Na ngwiciria ni how decision ikimikirwo ati riu mwiri ndugwitwarwo kuria bunge. Tondu kirindi ni kinene na bunge gutikiri na nafathi yo nene.
Yes.
Gwagituika riu mwiri utwarwo kuria kiwanja gia Kasarani Stadium.
And largely ono ngithie Thika Road thaa ici ri. Andu aria maumire maguru kuma airport ginya marorete Kasarani ri is a huge number.
Na no manathie.
Actually kiaro gia Kasarani bichiria turaona haha ri. It's surging by the moment. Very highly emotive moments here. Very highly emotive moments.
Gatuge the situation ni twakorwo nayo because again the person we are talking about is not your ordinary
it's not Kenyan. Your ordinary political, figure. This is he is a political movement by himself. Yes. You see the Sergeant Kasarani. Yes. I do not know how the order will be maintained here. But I think they have it figured out. Let's hope it just goes in a better smoothly. Yes.
riri werekeire kuingira Kasarani Stadium kurigana na mbica ciemwe kwa ĩmwe iria ndirona haha. It's just about by Kiumathika Road kuingira Kasarani Stadium.
It is within the presence of the stadium. Kuweto ni the gun carriage ya the military. Ni kana this is a state funeral. Koguo maundu maingi maratongorio ni jeshi. Yes.
But I can tell you for sure.
Yes.
Even the military matire mekora na situation ira mekorire nayo umuthi.
They have never.
They have never.
Gweciria, and this is from just the research of history. The last time kwa inodo toyuri was not even during the funeral ya Jaramogi Oginga Odinga. It was during the funeral of Tom Mboya. Ndio nugo kwa inare umamunde kwa toyo. Yes.
Riu tikai ge maundu ma military maga guthi uria mabangitwo.
Yes.
But today
the military, I think they are also in very unfamiliar waters.
No, they have been thrown off balance.
Totally off balance. You see, the military works by the clock and by precision.
Yes.
And by program. To do everything for them is a mission. They will never know 900 hours.
Yes.
I don't know how you can do the state funeral. Emilio Stanley Mwai Kibaki. Me haria maraugite
megukorwo.
So I think omothe they were been thrown.
Omothe they have found themselves in unfamiliar waters.
Ona ngirora riu gun carriage no ri overloaded na military.
Yes.
Wa proliferation ya the mourners.
Na nona nginya civilian no magaria gucuhirira.
Yes.
Riu nikira ko riu kiu ti kiundu military mamenyerete kundiraga nakio.
Yes. But again ona tonda na thie mathiko mana ukurugururu uri. It is pretty much the norm. Andu aria mararwo ngorito mutingi understand. Mundu tari wathie mathiko kundu ku. They are usually like this. Niguo gukoragwo. Now given the stature of Prime Minister Raila Odinga, undu ucio nagu gacanji ningi makeria. Uguo riu niguo gukoragwo even for an ordinary person. Makore mahana oguo.
Alaka tuge andu aingi umuthe ni amaku.
Yes.
Die yundu cia muthembo ucio.
Riu undu uyu ri ungina kuria rugururu. But now this is a figure that we have to start here from
the national figure.
Niguo makoragwo me highly emotion mathiko. Yes. Oh, atoke hopu maybe wakirika tondu muniko uria we Kasarani ri
ti munini.
I can bet you waini wa muthe thika ni ukorwo ina heavy traffic, very heavy traffic,
foot and vehicles.
Yes. No na koni da dorio advice kana ithio turio ri I would prefer oko ni gukurika go mathaa mathiete muno ri they can lift by chopper.
Yes.
Ono kwe kure ha DOD nigetha cokia toro leave funeral in preparation for Karen. Yes.
Afangia maundu mage thirikari na mibango ya security na hot have you.
Yes.
Omuthe they have a special assignment they have not done in a long time.
It already a convoy no makiuma Kasarani ri. It will not be an easy affair to do. Adu no me kurumirira.
Yes.
So they can simply helicopter oiwo to the next
stop ni undu wa haria mwiri ukiigwo.
Yes.
Ni undu wa rucio kwina service kuria Nyayo Stadium.
Yes.
Na direction nikio matana twara mwiri Nyayo Stadium to direction ru ni hindi kurakiharirio ni undu wa igongona ria rucio.
Yes, ni undu wa pitch tent what have you. Mufaka to rucio to na ginya dignitaries za kumaja afuru.
Aguko na kumaja.
We even expect a few presidents from within the region and without. Na do itodo Raila Odinga was also a continental and global figure.
The transcontinental statesman.
Absolutely. So to be a busy day. Umuthe ni gwarathie kurario ru kuria Karen.
Gwake mucie.
Itodo andu rugururu
kuringana na unduire wao.
Yes. Mundu aba ako to ku Nairobi wa huruko karara kuria ikara Nairobi ugacoka rucini ru ugakura ugathie riu ukarara gicagi
gicagi riu
yes ugathie kwa muthenya ucio. Yes.
Uhoro kire munene.
We have not only number to kumenyithagia as events unfold.
No diragiciria riu airport ni kirire ni nguiguite ni ukwambite kuhingo for some time.
That was quite some breach.
No, serious breach.
Serious breach. Ando mathiete nginya ya side na makaingira ndege. Well, someone will have to do a report.
A serious one.
Yes.
And serious sweeping of the airport.
I tell you.
Okay, here no guo.
Guo gutaria.
Ndirona ruta yes mwiriru ni ukinyete kiwanja gia Kasarani.
Waingira kihingo-ini.
Waingira kihingo gia stadium.
Yes.
Ya muthoni no murikio hanini. Ona haria TV-ini. This is K24.
Yes, absolutely.
Ndio waingira kihingo gia stadium.
Yes.
Nguru dai ko ni ukoro kiingira kiwanja thiini.
Magibangire ni undu wa the public viewing kuona mwiri kwa muingi. Uhoro wigie kuona mwiri in the Luo culture ni undu ukorwo we very sentimental. Na matingihota kuruga. So they have to do it here na aikinya kuria mucii.
Na tuguthi na mbere tukimenyithagia tukumenyithagia uria guikarite guku ni gwa kameme kayo ka muingi.
Oh yes.
Thaa 8 ina ndagika 31.